I learned that a family member of mine has gotten into some significant legal trouble, and I was concerned about the impact that his choices had made on his future. So I was concerned about him getting a conviction.
When somebody is charged with a theft crime and they call our office, oftentimes the emotional state they're in is embarrassment. And I believe those cases like that create a lot of anxiety and a lot of embarrassment in the people who've been arrested. Is you get that embarrassment level of, hey, I had the money. I don't know what happened. The first thing that we try to do is to lower the stress level of our clients. The way that I go about doing that is I listen to them, because that is one thing that sometimes clients don't get out of their attorney. I need to hear not only what the allegations are, but I need to hear something deeper too. I need to hear how they're feeling about it, everything else. At that point, I try to start putting together a plan, and that there is something we can do to help them. The number one mistake that anybody can make if they've been charged with a theft or arrested with a theft is talking to the police without an attorney. A person might think that they can explain to the officer or to the detective what they did and why they did it, and you're always better off consulting an attorney. And if you decide to talk to the police later about your case, take that attorney with you. Don't hire an attorney that won't go to the police with you. There's a few things that you need to be looking for when you're interviewing lawyers. You need somebody who's going to sit there and listen to you, okay? Because you have to be able to tell your story. You're going to want somebody that's got experience. You want somebody that this is what they do. You want a lawyer that can walk into that courtroom and try that case like a bulldog. I've tried over hundreds of jury trials before, many, many jury trials. I have the experience in the court. I have the experience fixing people's problems as well.
What I liked most that impressed me was Robin's directness. He was very direct, very honest, and very professional. So I received a level of comfort, and I knew what to expect.
If you have some hesitancy about contacting an attorney because maybe you don't feel like you can afford a good one or not, trust me on this, you might be surprised. Because at least at my firm, I know that we price our services very fair. We're not the lowest in town, we're not the highest in town. We try to make it very accessible to people too. We have payment plans, we allow down payments, a lot of times in payments based on your income and based on different things. And so don't think for a second that you're not going to be able to get first-rate defense because you don't have a lot of money.
I personally found McCarty-Larson to be an outstanding law firm that can help a broken family get their lives back together and point it in a positive direction.
One thing I absolutely realize, and I absolutely believe in my heart of hearts, sometimes bad things happen to good people. We can help you. Give us a call.